Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell about 3 Blender add-ons which I use daily in my Blender modeling process. Go to the edit and preferences, and the first Blender add-on is Boolean Toolkit. I have created this Blender add-ons for fast Boolean operations. Shift A, mesh, add a cube. I am going to duplicate this cube and give it a position here, and if I press Shift Q, then I will get this pie menu. And here I will get different Boolean operations. I need to select first object, then select second object and press Shift Q and use the Boolean different operation. So it makes the process very easy and fast, and that's why I have created this add-on. And from the modifier tab you can apply the modifier and delete the cutter object. This is the paid add-on and you will get this add-on on our Gumroad Store. Link is in the description. Before creating this add-on, I was using the Bool tool add-on. It is a free Blender add-on. If you press N key and if you go to the edit, and then it is option Boolean, and from here you can access the different Boolean operations like this. In this add-on you get this menu here. So you can use this free add-on also. The next add-on which I use every time is loop tool. Here you can see. Go to the edit mode, select everything and subdivide it like this few times. I'm going to select these faces, select this bottom faces, and then right click and bridge option, and it will bridge these faces, okay, these edges. Here I can increase the segment like this. Here you can see, and I can twist this. If you turn on the X-ray mode, then you can see. I use this option rarely. Select these faces, increase the selection, and then right click loop tool circle option. I use this option frequently in my modeling, so this is very helpful tool to create this kind of circular shapes. Then I'm going to select these faces. I'm going to press the right click loop tool and there is a curve option. Then I'm going to select these faces and loop tool circle option, then select this edge loops and loop tool circle option. The most important use case of this tool is right click loop tool circle option. The third add-on which I use in my every modeling process is edge flow. This is very important and useful add-on for efficiency. I'm going to add a cylinder, then go to the edit mode. I'm going to select this top and bottom face and delete these faces, select everything, and then I'm going to subdivide it. Okay, I have subdivided it. I have added few more vertical edges and dissolve this horizontal edge. Now I want a proper cylindrical shape. So what I can do, I can select this edge loops, then right click and go to this set flow option. You get this set flow and set linear option in this edge flow tool. So use this set flow option and you will get a proper cylindrical form over here. I'm going to select these edges, snap it to 3D cursor and S and Shift C. Then use the set flow option here also. You can see it will try to maintain the curve smooth. So these 3 add-ons I use in my every modeling process. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.